OMG. And Ibrahim, PBU, said, those who follow me, that is, those who follow this path after me, fainahu miniwi, they are from me, they belong to me. Or else those who consider themselves superior on earth and look down on other people as their slaves, those who look down on them from above, not as a result of their worship with their will to Allah, but those who are connected with their superiority, brought by their lineage, and call this a destiny. God knows I am telling you, he says, he sent me from this lineage. We are the real deal. We are the people of God. We are the chosen ones, the servants of God. Look, all the prophets come from this bloodline. When you count them, they all state that they are from us. So we are similar to, we have this understanding that whenever he wants, he can come and perform all sorts of insane actions as though he possesses the entitlement to do so. And he obtains all of his power from his familial heritage. But this has nothing to do with Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him. Oh my goodness, Suleiman has nothing to do with this. Oh my goodness, this has nothing to do with Dawood. No prophet ever came and taught people such a false doctrine, not at all. Dawood is not related to this matter in any way. It was not possible for a prophet to be given the book, wisdom, and prophethood by Allah, and then say to the people, be my servants instead of Allah. The act of uttering such a false teaching is utterly impossible, completely out of the question, as Allah in His divine wisdom has clearly stated in His revelation. The Almighty will bestow upon him judgment, wisdom, and the gift of prophethood. He will say to people, worship me, worship my lineage. It will make it personal, individualize it, and transform it into a family affair. And from here, one will not seek a path from servitude to Allah, but rather a path from servitude to people. No way. However, it is important to be Rabbanis, not just any prophets, but all prophets should strive to be Rabbanis. This means worshipping your Lord, setting everything else aside, and constantly affirming our allegiance to Him. It is crucial to distinguish between truth and falsehood, even if it means standing by the side of a black Abyssinian slave, as long as the truth is on their side. On the other hand, he comes from a noble lineage, he comes from this lineage, he comes from that lineage. Whoever considers this or that prophet, with so many exclamation marks, as holy, no matter which lineage it is, isn't it true that the truth is on this side? Rasulullah uttered these words in the following manner. And even if he were to be a slave of Ethiopian descent with dark skin, it is imperative to select and uphold the truth without hesitation or bias. The opposing side is purported to be incredibly patriotic, brimming with enthusiasm, highly nationalistic, and so on and so forth. An understanding of superiority based on ethnic origin, whether it is derived from ethnic origin or financial power, all of these notions are baseless and unfounded. Whether it comes from financial power or ethnic background, whether it comes from a certain lobby, a certain ideological movement, a certain doctrine that considers itself absolute and imposes its approach on people, regardless of its form, the prophets, the messenger, and the precursor Imam has, have all said no to all of these. The stance of Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him. So whoever follows me, then indeed he is from me.